Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nalima and today I'm going to take you through some of my recent purchases. So this is going to be a first impressions video. So I've not tried these products out yet and I would be trying these right now along with you, and then you would know how it works for me. So without further ado, let's dive in. The first product that I have is the Juvias Place palette. This is the Warrior 2 by Juvias. So this palette is a complete matte eyeshadow palette. As you can see how beautiful the color scheme is. So in this palette you have both warm and cool tone shades. So as you can see, you have a dark black, you have some corals, you have a different variety of brown, you have the lightest shade, it's kind of an off-white shade, then gray, a very deep gray. So as you can see, the size of this pants is huge, and I was looking for something that was neutral, and not neutral, but then I was looking for something like this from quite some time, and I have been seeing many people use this and I thought I should give it a try. So we would be using this palette today to create a beautiful smoky eye look. We would be playing around with all these colors, almost all these colors today, and then create a look. So the next up is the P.Louise base. So this is the Rumour in shade 02. So I have been in the past using concealers to create my eye look. So I was using concealers as my eye base. So now I decided, why not just try using an eye base. So I ordered this and let's see how it works. Then I went ahead and ordered a set of Morphe brushes. So I have them over here. So this is the Morphe Lust brush set. We have a set of 10 brushes. So these are all eye brushes that I have. So the one that actually grabbed my attention, and the reason why I wanted this kit was because of this one. So as you can see, so this is a silicone head brush. This is really good for applying foil eyeshadows or any shimmer eyeshadows. So we would be trying this out as well because I'm very excited to try this one. And then you have the other brushes, like you have some blending brushes like these. So let me get them out of the package. The second reason I got these was because, as you can see, how beautiful these are. So these come in this beautiful matte golden to a golden shade, and this is so pretty, and all come in white bristles. So I do have a couple of eye brush sets, but then I really wanted to try these. I hope they turn out good. So as you can see, these are some of the brushes. These are the big brushes in here. These I would use mainly to blend. Then I have, oops, this is a silicone one. So I have these small brushes. They look so pretty and they are soft. They feel really smooth on the skin. Then this is the one that I spoke about. So without further ado, let's dig in creating beautiful eye look using this palette, those brushes, and that eye base there. As you can see, I have my base done. I did my eyebrows, and that's a clean save. Okay, so I'm going to take the eye base first. I'm going to take it at the back of my hand, and then I would be applying it with the help of a concealer brush. I'm going to use the PAC concealer brush here, and I'm going to spread the product evenly on my eyelids. We need to ensure that it's been spread evenly and it is a little tacky for us to work on. It should not completely dry, because if it dries completely, I would not be able to get the color pigmentation out of it. I'm going to repeat the same process on the other eye. definitely get some precision with this. Like, wow, I've never had so much fun applying these eyeshadows with any brush. I always end up using my finger because it doesn't show up on the lids if I use a brush. And this is just wow. Can you see it? Like, then I'll take the same wine shade and just blend the edges. So I'm back. I finished my eye look and I did my lashes, my waterline, and I put on some beautiful lip shade. So as you can see, this is the completed eye look. So because this is an all matte palette and I want to try the silicone brush, I picked my foil eyeshadow kit and then I was able to create this. And I'm loving the look. So I loved how the colors blended, how the brushes worked, they were smooth. But this is a first impression, so I'm totally happy with this purchase of mine from Morphe and Juvias Place. So going forward, I would definitely try these brushes with my other palettes, and I would try the other brushes with this palette and see how the payout works, how the blending works, how I like the feel of the color payoff and how it works in my eyes. And considering about the base, yes, once the base sets, I was able to blend smoothly. So once you apply the eye base, you need to ensure that you wait for it to settle down. So if it's a little tacky, that's fine, but if it's too wet, it's too tacky, then you need to wait for the eye base to set. That's what I did, and then I started my eye makeup. That's why I was able to blend it so well. So do let me know how you like this look. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do hit the subscribe button below and do leave a like and a comment to let me know how you found this video. Bye bye.